So you got your affiliate product that you're promoting, you got your landing page all set up, ready to go, and you're ready to start making sales. But this is what you're dealing with. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can use to get free traffic to your affiliate offers. So if you're new to affiliate marketing or you're just having trouble making sales, more than likely you're having trouble finding traffic to your affiliate offers. So I'm going to be covering a free traffic method that you can use if you don't really feel like showing your face on camera and you're good at writing. And I'm also going to share a few video methods that you can use if you don't mind being on camera and you want to grow your personal brand. So let me go over to the first website. Okay, so the first website is Quora.com. So this is a great website if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing. The reason why is because you can get a lot of traffic from just answering people's questions. So whatever niche that you're in, you can find people who are asking those type of questions, and then you can answer those questions, delivering value, and then you can link to your offer. Now, the reason why Quora is a great way to get started if you're brand new to affiliate marketing is because you can easily get views, a lot of views on your answers. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to find people who are asking questions that is related to your niche, and maybe your affiliate offer can help them solve that problem. So all you would have to do is just come over to the search bar right here in Quora, and then you can just type in a topic or something that's related to your niche. So let's say that you're in, I don't know, CrossFitting. You're into CrossFitting, and that's maybe you have a product that's related to CrossFitting as an affiliate, and you can basically promote that as an offer. So as you can see, you have people who are asking questions about CrossFit. Why don't people do CrossFit? What are the downsides and risks of CrossFit training? Why is CrossFit so popular? So all you have to do is just click on these answers, these questions, and then this one has 24 answers. So if we look at some of these answers, they explain, basically they're answering the question. Now this particular answer, it has 3.4 thousand views and 18 upvotes. So this is a pretty valuable answer. They're addressing the question, and basically other people are finding value in this answer. That's why they're upvoting this answer. Now if we come down and look at another one, we can just check out this answer right here, and this one has 244 views. So it's not as many, but it's still a pretty decent amount of people who are viewing these type of answers. So let's say you have an affiliate offer that's maybe related to CrossFit training or something. You can just create an answer answering this person's question. So this person asked, why is CrossFit so popular? You can look at the top answers and see what type of value they're adding in their answers, and just kind of model that and say CrossFitting is so popular because it's easy to do. People are they don't need a lot of experience to get started with CrossFit, and you can just deliver value in your answer. And what you can also do is link to your affiliate offer. I wouldn't recommend linking to your affiliate offer directly, because some platforms, they don't allow you to post affiliate links. What I would recommend is to have a landing page which takes people to your affiliate offer. So that way you can collect someone's email before you send them directly to the affiliate offer. So let's check out another example. So if I come to Quora and I type in vegan eating recipes. So we have people asking questions related to vegans. Can vegans eat tofu? If so, what are the best recipes? What are the best vegan recipes? Vegan recipes. So basically there's a lot of people who are asking questions related to vegan recipes. So if we come and just click on any of these answers, questions. What is your favorite non-vegan recipe to expose non-vegans to healthier living or healthier eating? So it has 10 answers right here. This person answered spinach pie. They have a little image right here. If we click on more, this one has 595 views. So this is a pretty that's a pretty decent amount of people who've seen this answer right here. Now, if they were to have like a vegan recipe cookbook, maybe that could be an affiliate offer. I'm not sure, I don't know. So let's say, for example, this person had an affiliate offer that's related to vegan recipes. What they can do is they can answer this question just like they did, and they can give people a call to action. They can say something like, hey, if you want to get a 7-day free vegan recipe guide, here's the link where you can get it. And it should take people to a landing page where they can collect their email first. They get the person who entered their email, they're going to get access to that 7-day vegan recipe guide, and maybe they take them to another affiliate offer that's related to veganism. Now, I used to use Quora a lot when I first got started with affiliate marketing, but I haven't really been active on it. But you still have answers on here that are still getting views. If it's from other people, or if I look at my stats, I can just come over here, click on my profile, and then just click on stats. Now, I haven't answered questions in a while right here, and my my questions or my answers are still getting views. If I look at, this is the last 30 days right here. If I look at the last 3 months, I'm still getting views from answers that I actually answered a year ago or 2 years ago when I actually signed up with Quora. So if I look at all time, I have 5.4 thousand views on my answers. And that's pretty good because I haven't been active on this platform. Now, like I mentioned, this is a great way to get free traffic to your affiliate offers if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing or if you're just having trouble finding traffic. Okay, so real quick, if you're brand new to my channel, I just want to first welcome you. My name is Benjamin, and if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so the next two websites are going to be getting free traffic using video content. So this next website is the one that you're actually on right now, which is YouTube. Now, anybody can create a YouTube video just using their phone and using free editing apps. But the key is to create a video around a topic that people are actually searching for. Because you can have the best video in the world or you can make the worst video in the world, but if people are not searching for that keyword phrase, then they're not going to find your video. So let me show you how to find topics that people are searching for. Now, all I would have to do is just come over to YouTube and then come to the search bar. Now, you would type in the keywords that's related to your niche or your affiliate offer. So let's say, for example, your affiliate offer is something like keto coffee. I'm not sure if that's actually a thing, but we're going to find out right now. So you just come into Google, or I mean YouTube, I should say, keto coffee. Now you see, before I even press enter, there's all types of suggestions that YouTube is showing me. The reason why they're showing me this is because people are actually looking for these search terms. So we have keto coffee, keto recipe, keto cake, keto creamer, ice cream, Starbucks, jelly. So there's a lot of search results for people who are searching for keto coffee and then extensions after that. So what we can do is we can just type in before the word keto, we can just press spacebar and then put an underline right here. So now it shows us even more suggestions. How to make keto coffee at home. It works keto coffee, best keto coffee, iced keto coffee. So these are all search terms that people are actually looking for. Now, I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use that's going to show you the competition level for each search word. Okay, so this is a Chrome extension. If you're using the Chrome web browser, it's called vidIQ, and it's a pretty powerful tool if you're going to be creating content on YouTube. So it's a free extension that you can download, and it shows you the competition score of keywords that you're searching for. Now, they do have a paid version, but if you're just getting started, there's a lot that you can use just using the free version. Okay, so if we come back to YouTube and we come to the search bar and we type in keto coffee, it's going to show us these suggestions right here. So if I click on keto coffee recipe, okay, so if you have the vidIQ app installed, it shows you the total score when it comes to this particular search term. So this one is 53 out of 100, which is decent. It has not too many people searching for this specific term, but it has a good amount and the competition is relatively low. So your chances of ranking for keto coffee recipe is pretty decent. Now, if you're having trouble coming up with ideas for search terms, here's another thing that you can use. Let's say that you have a keto coffee affiliate offer that you're promoting, but you're not really too sure on what type of ideas or topics that you want to make a video about. So you can just come to the search bar right here. You can type in A and it's going to show you suggestions right here. Keto coffee at home, keto at Starbucks, keto and intermittent fasting. So those are potential topics that you can talk about. You can just search them and then see what the score is for vidIQ. So this one right here, keto coffee at Starbucks, this one is 60 out of 100, which is better than just keto coffee. And you can just do what's called the alphabet walkthrough. So that was keto coffee using the letter A, keto coffee B, and it's going to show you searches that people are actually looking for. Keto coffee benefits, you can just come through and just go through the whole alphabet. Keto coffee cake, keto coffee Dunkin' Donuts, keto coffee egg shake. And you can just keep on going through the whole alphabet and just get a list of ideas on what type of topics that you want to create videos about that's related to your affiliate offer or your niche. Now, when you're creating YouTube videos around certain topics, whether it's creating them around a certain niche, affiliate offer, or just in general, you always want to deliver value in your video. Now, the best way to create value in your videos is you have to realize people are coming to YouTube because they have questions that need to be answered. YouTube is a search engine. So if somebody is looking for best keto coffee recipe using almond milk, you can create a video just answering that specific question. Now, when you create videos where you're answering specific questions that people are asking, that's going to make them want to subscribe to your channel. They're going to build more trust with you, and they're more likely to buy an affiliate offer that you're recommending to them. Okay, so let me talk about the third free traffic method, which is TikTok. Now, before you say TikTok is only for kids, I'm not into dancing, I'm not gonna do that. People aren't using TikTok just for only dancing and doing trends. There's people who are using TikTok to grow their business and make money with affiliate marketing. TikTok is one of the easiest platforms to get free traffic right now. So let me show you. So here's the TikTok account, Austin Becker, and he has 425,000 followers, and he's showing people how to make money online. He doesn't really do dances, or he does follow trends here and there, but that's to get more views. But he's growing his business using this method. Here's another TikTok account, AJ Rants, and he has 166,000 followers. And he's also showing people how to make money online. He's using TikTok to grow his affiliate marketing business, and he's also promoting his own products that he created called cocktail cards. Here's another TikTok account with 52,000 followers. He's a construction worker that started his own online business, and now he's showing other people how to do the same thing. And here's my account. I got 8,700 followers, and I'm not doing dances in any of my videos. I'm not really following trends like most people are in order to get views. I'm showing people different side hustles that they can use to make money online, and also how to start their own online business. So if you want to check out my TikTok account, I'll leave a link down below where you can follow me. Now, you don't even have to show your face in order to grow your following on TikTok and make money with affiliate marketing. Let me show you. So here's a TikTok account called Manifestation 365. So all they're doing is just posting stock videos that they get from websites like Pixabay, Pexels, or Unsplash, and they're posting them on TikTok. So if we take a look at their videos, they're just getting stock video footage and they're just putting text over it. So their videos are about law of attraction, numerology, manifestation, and they're not showing their face in any one of these videos. So they have 307,000 followers. So if I click on the link that they have in their profile, it's going to take me to a landing page, and they have something right here for guided meditation. So if I want to download it now, it's going to collect my email first. It's going to show me a short presentation, and then it's going to take me to an offer. Now, this product is a ClickBank offer. Now, if you don't have a TikTok account and you want to learn how to grow your TikTok account, tips and tricks on video ideas, how to grow followers, then check out the 15-second free leads training. I'm going to leave that down below if you want to check it out. It's a great resource to help you grow your following on TikTok if you don't have an account, or if you're just having trouble getting followers. Now, I did a previous video showing you how to make money on TikTok without even showing your face. And if you want to watch that video, you can check it out right here. And if you want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, I'll leave a link down below as well, so you can check that out. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the video. Well, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.